Hey guys, so today I found a problem in the Star Stable Friends app. So when you go on this, it keeps loading and you can't just like get out, and it's really weird. And then when I try to load to the Star Stable, what is it again? Star Stable launcher, then it says we aren't we weren't able to log you in due to the server hiccup. Please try again. And I'm just really confused. And can someone please help me? Like, I got the stable care right now, but I don't get it. Someone please comment what's going on. Why I can't get into Star Stable because of what is a hiccup server? Like a hiccup server or something. Server hiccup. I reinstalled Star Stable, but nothing worked. So I kept searching on YouTube and there was just nothing there. And I kept trying for a while and then I just couldn't get back on again for some odd reason. So can someone please help? Alright, thank you for watching this video and goodbye.